Hi, this is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math Talk channel on YouTube. We have a very interesting inequality graph over here. This is a very typical exam question, so I'll go through it slowly and let's take a look at it together. Okay, the graphing for the first line is really easy. Let's graph y equal to 2 first. Okay, so let's just graph a sketch of it first. So this is y equal to 2. It's going to be a solid line because there's an equal sign here. Okay, once I graph it, since it's an inequality, I need to graph y is less than equal to 2. So everything under this line is part of my solution. Okay, so now let's do the same thing for the other one. It's a little more involved, but not too bad. 8x plus 3y. Let's graph the line first. Okay, line is when you have an equal sign instead of inequality. So I have a 7x plus 3y equal to minus 9. Okay, now there are several different ways. You can use the point slope method, which I think is actually slower. So what I'm going to use here is actually a little different. I'm going to use 2 points. Okay. A line is really made up 2 points. So all I have to do is find 2 points. If my x equal to 0, if I pick x equal to 0 for this line, for this from this equation, then my y has to be minus 3 to fit in the equation. So from right off the bat, I can get a point by making x equal to 0. I can make x equal to minus 1 or make a y equal to 0. It doesn't really matter. For me, I just picked one. I made x equal to minus 1. So now I have minus 7 plus 3y equal to minus 9. So I'm going to go solve what a y is equal to on this part. It happened to equal to minus 2/3. Okay, pause the button if you can't see those 2 points. Make sure you can grab those 2 points from this equation here. Now on the point slope form, if you wanted it, what you would do is 1/3 times minus 9 minus 7x. Okay, then you have y is equal to minus 7/3 minus 3. There's an x here. Then you do is you start from the minus 3 and you go using slope. So y equal to minus 3 is over here. Then you go over and go down, go over 7, go down minus 3, and then here's your line as well. Okay, so either way, it doesn't really matter, but personally, preferences-wise, I think this method, 2 points, is a little quicker. Anyway, 0 and minus 3, 2, 3. Here's my first point. Okay, second point, x equal to minus 1, and y is equal to minus a little less than 1. So it's roughly over here. So we do have the same line here. Okay, now I should have a dotted line over here because there's no equal sign. Now, once you draw the line, next question is this side or is it this side gets shaded? Okay, the best way I've found over the years to help my students is this, testing this 0, 0. If 0, 0 is a solution to your inequality, of course it's this side. If it's not inequality down this side, then it got to be on the other side. So let's take a look. We have 8x minus plus 3y less than x minus 9. Okay, so that's really saying 7x plus 3y less than minus 9. A lot of students say, well, if it's minus, don't I just get it? That's like not always. It's not a reliable test. Less than doesn't mean it's always on the bottom. So let's check. Check 0, 0 to see if this less than holds. Okay, it's far more better method using this 0, 0 to check. So let's plug 0, 0 in there. I have 7 times 0 plus 3 times 0. Is it true? It's less than minus 9. Is 0 less than minus 9? The answer is no. So therefore, 0, 0 is not a solution to my inequality. Therefore, it's going to be on this side. Okay, and it does look like it's a little more work, but I guarantee you the points you'll miss by assuming it's less than, it's always under, it's not worth the time you're going to waste and the points you're going to lose. All right, so now having graphed this one, let's superimpose the other one. The other one we had it this way. Okay, so the common solution I'm running out of ink here. It's over in this chunk. All right, hope this helped. Have a confident day.